Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unmute accounts on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Safety from the given option. Now go to the Mute and Block. Then click on Muted Accounts. Choose the accounts you want to unmute. Tap on the Unmute button. And you will unmute the accounts on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to unmute the account on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.